Okay, it's the 3rd of May, Rudy here. If you're an existing member, this won't be anything new to you. So hopefully you're a new viewer. So why don't you want to be investing in the general share market, Australian share market index going forward? The index is made up of essentially sectors. So we're largely financials, resources, industrials, healthcare, and then energy and technology. Okay, so they basically form this chart here. And we can see we've met a measured move here with our rounded bottom. So we take the depth and we add the projection here. So we get a target level here, which is similar to back here, 2009 to 13. We had a rounded bottom and our depth added to the breakout. So we had our target price. Do I think we're going to be crashing? No, I think we're just going to be doing this. So technically we're still in a buy, but it's just, I mean, just look at it. Look at us. Where if you invested back here in 2009, 27%. Now that doesn't include dividends, but it's pretty pathetic, really, for a share index. Anyway, it is what it is. All right, so financials. Now I did a video last week on the financials, so I'll leave it at the end of this one, which goes through all our banks. So our banks are basically topped. I don't see them crashing, but they are not going to be peaking anymore. The best is over. In the video I go through that. Okay, so then the next big sector is the materials. Now the materials I'm pretty bullish on. I think they will hold up the index. So we've got financials pulling it down and materials pulling it up. Then we've got energy, which will do well, but it's only a smidgen of the index. So it's not going to help. The next big sector after financials, materials, is the industrials. So the industrial sectors, well, it's not going to crash and it's not going to spurt, so it's not going to add any value. Healthcare. Well, healthcare is sick as a dog and needs to see a doctor. So that's not going to add any value. And then our, well, it doesn't add, it's only a small part, but our tech sector may bounce, but it doesn't do anything to our index. So that's why I'm saying don't invest in VAS if you're looking for growth, or the Australian share market in general. You need to invest in the sectors that are going up if you're going to be investing in Australia, and that's materials and energy. So if you want to know more about that, join the channel. We do ASX US shares and ETFs. If that interests you. All right, have a good one. See ya.